In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to crop a video using VLC Media Player. We'll walk through the entire process, from cropping the video to saving your final result. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to crop. Once your video is playing, go to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down, select Effects and Filters. This will open a new window. In this window, click on the Video Effects tab and then select the Crop tab. Now, you'll see fields where you can enter values to crop your video. If you want to crop evenly on all sides, check the box that says Synchronize top, bottom, left and right. This will ensure that the crop is applied uniformly around your video. Now enter the values in pixels for the amount you want to crop. For example, you might enter 200 pixels for the top and bottom and 500 pixels for the left and right. As you adjust these values, you'll see your video being cropped in real time. Once you've adjusted the crop to your liking, the next step is to save these changes. But before that, there are a few more steps to complete. Go back to the top menu and select Tools again, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, look at the bottom left corner and select All under Show Settings. This will open up Advanced Settings. Now, on the left side, find and click on the Video tab, then click on Filters under the Video tab. In the Filters section, find and select CropAdd. Here, you'll need to enter the same values you used earlier for cropping. For example, if you cropped 200 pixels from the top and bottom and 500 pixels from the left and right, you'll need to enter those same values in the respective fields. After entering the values, go back to the Filters section. Now make sure to enable the Video Cropping filter by checking the box next to it. Once everything is set, click Save to apply these settings. Now, the final step is to save your cropped video as a new file. Go to the top menu and select Media, then choose Convert Save. In the window that appears, add your video by clicking the Add button. After selecting your video, click the Convert Save button at the bottom. In the next window, choose the format you want to save your video in. MP4 is a good choice, so select that from the drop-down menu. Then, click on the little wrench icon next to the profile to open the settings. Under the Video Codec tab, go to Filters and ensure that the Video Cropping filter is enabled. Click Save to confirm. Now, choose the location where you want to save your cropped video by clicking Browse and selecting the folder. Once you've done that, click Save and then hit Start to begin the conversion process. VLC will now start processing your video and you can monitor the progress in the playback bar. When the process is complete, your cropped video will be saved in the location you specified. Finally, if you don't want VLC to crop every video you open, you'll need to reset the preferences. Go back to Tools, select Preferences, and click the Reset Preferences button at the bottom. This will return VLC to its default settings, and that's it. You've successfully cropped a video using VLC Media Player and saved it as a new file.